Welcome to Abstralvers. In this video, I will show you how to disable YouTube Shorts on Android phone. To do that, first of all, update your YouTube app to the latest version. You can do so by going to Play Store. Just make sure it's up to date. Open Play Store, search YouTube. If it needs updating, update it. Close Play Store, open YouTube app. As you can see, feed is displaying shorts. To turn these off, tap profile icon, that is you, in the bottom right corner. Tap the gear icon, that is settings icon, in the top right corner. Select time management. Scroll down to daily limits and tap shorts feed limit. Set the limit to 0 minutes. After that, refresh your home feed and there will be no more shorts visible. Same approach can be used on iPhone to hide shorts from YouTube app. No more shorts. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.